Came here this morning, sat over there on the point. I didn't see nothing. Real windy. We heard a few behind us, but never had anything come out. And went and got some breakfast. Came back down to check it out, and we had our toms sitting down there on the point. So we're gonna see if we can't cut them off here.
Situation we're in.
Hey, we got him. He's out here on the point, about to go bust. Let's fucking go, baby. It's just that easy.
Let's check him out.
What you reckon that's a 40?
Farther than 40. What you know about it, dude? 12 o'clock bird? 12?
Midday strut. Hey, isn't that stuff? Easy out here.
Hey, go put it on his head. Go step on his head. Oh my God, dude. That's a pretty bird. What you think, Life?
Hey, this is how we do it down here in Columbus County. This morning, Friday morning. Sat out here in the morning, didn't see anything. Everything thought we were going to get it done today. We got us some breakfast, came back out here. This fella right here was sitting out there. But came over here, got settled down, disappeared on us. Sat here about 4 more hours. We decided to pop over to the point down yonder. We did went on a little mission down there to go get a hold of them. We got about 50 yards away and sealed the deal. I couldn't be blessed for such a beautiful bird, man.